How are you doing? I'm Martin from Gardens for Life and Birdland Homestead. In this quick video we're going to give you 4 things to do in spring and how to prepare your garden for the new season. So number 1 is going to be getting rid of the weeds from last year, because a lot of the perennial weeds especially will have been falling over and rooting, tip layering so to speak, especially the nettles. I just want to show you that. I think definitely we're going to want to be pulling those up. They're going to be very easy to pull up, and we're going to want to take care of those before they root any further. This time of year it's still definitely easy to pull up any weeds before they establish more. For any of you that have been watching me for any length of time, you'll know that I'm a little bit lazy and I don't want to do all the weeding myself, so I just send in the old cavalry, which is the chickens. You can see them over here. And I got them to actually pull up all the weeds here. Basically eat them and scratch them up, and then I just come in and actually just pull up some of the roots that they're not able to reach, that are underground, and that takes care of 90% of them, and I'm able to just grow more in this garden bed then. Number 2 is going to be preparing your garden beds with some fresh compost. Just mulch the garden beds with a sprinkle of extra compost. And in our perennial gardens here we don't really need to do that, because we put down maybe 5 inches in the beginning, which is plenty for the first few years anyway. But in a garden bed where you're removing fertility in the form of vegetables, especially annual vegetables, I would highly recommend that you replenish fertility by mulching them once a year. Mulching your garden space or your grow space or your garden beds by about 1 inch of compost per year. I top it up by. Usually the best time of year to do that is actually in winter or before spring, just because your plants won't be in the way. Number 3 would be to put your wood chips on the paths and renew them. You can see here, make them nice to walk on for the rest of the season. And I would do that once a year again. Just a little sprinkle will do fine, either with a wheelbarrow or a bucket, and just some fresh wood chips on the paths will work wonders to keep your feet clean and dry, especially if you get a wet season. What do you think? Do you like the wood chips? You like the all dry wood chips paths? Attaboy. Number 4 is to start your new plants from seed and cuttings. It's the right time of year to do it now, March and April. You don't want to keep them in the greenhouse for too long, so this is where I actually pot up all of the plants that go into this greenhouse here temporarily. And I want to show you here, we just got some trays ready. We're also going to do soil blocking today, and we got some seeds already grown. Here's some going from cuttings. Those are sea buckthorn and some different types of willows and things like that, kiwis, and we have some marshmallow plants already coming up. Isn't that nice? Bronze fennel, some white digitalis or foxglove. Oh, look who is here. Are you sleeping on the water tank? What are we doing, Shelly? You sleepy cat. You found a new spot? That's good. I don't like you sleeping on top of the trays. You wouldn't do that, would you? Hopefully you'll keep the mice away from the seed trays too. Yeah, so great mullein here, love it. So all those kind of plants, you want to get those started. There's Glaskin's perpetual rhubarb, lots of different plants, and you want to get those ready before you're planting them out. A lot of the plants can be planted out in the next 2 months, so in April and May. Almost everything can be planted out at the very end of May as well. Have you got a ball there? You want me to throw that for you? You want me to throw that? That's all for now. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you the next time. If you're watching this on Gardens for Life, please come on over to our Birdland Homestead channel and subscribe over there too. And we'll see some of you at the questions and answers session every Thursday night at 9 p.m. Irish time. So get your questions ready. You can ask us anything about homesteading or gardening or preserving, anything like that. See you next time. Bye bye. Oh, and don't forget to check out some of our courses that we have available on our website. It's just /events. See some of you there.